everybody, this is Rika from Rika's Crafty Creations. If this is your first time here, welcome. Come on in, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and join the Rika's Crafty Creation family. Today, what we are going to do is a tablescape for St. Patrick's Day. So, I'm going to wait and let a few more people come in. I'm going to tell you now, and I'll tell you again later on. This is inspired by the colors only. I got the gold, I got the green, I got the black. That's it. I got two people watching. Hey family, come on in, come on in. So I have no shamrocks, I have no leprechauns, I don't have any pots of gold, okay? Because I don't have enough room in my house for more stuff, okay? I know some of y'all out there, you feel me. My table, I have painted it. It was an heirloom, it was given to me, all right? So here's what we're doing. I like the black color. I played with it a little bit beforehand because I didn't want it to be a disaster. So I got a black tablecloth because I painted it and some of the paint is chipping off, and this summer that will be a project for just refacing that. But let's go ahead and let's get this together. Welcome. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Alright, I got the colors. I've got a couple of different elements, okay? Let me bring them up. I'll show them to you. Got my white plates. I got my green chargers, alright? And these are actually the ones, you guys know I love to reuse my stuff, right? So these are the ones from Christmas, but I thought they'd go well for St. Patrick's Day. What do you think? What do you think about this? Let me know. Alright, so I got that. And then as far as the gold coin inspired round placemats, what do you think? I'm going to start with 4 settings first, okay? And then we'll see about the end pieces, alright? So I've got, you guys see all this together? Do you like this combination? Let's try this out first, okay? I think we're going to like the end result. And then you guys know how I am about my white dishes. I've got white dishes all the time because the colors and stuff, that's what I'm really after. I have another friend who is about the dishes themselves. But I've got these that I feel like look more, you know, more ruffly, more a little bit shamrocky inspired. So I don't have the actual shamrocks, but I feel like the other things are, you know, inspired by them. So let's try this out. And I do not eat off of these plates. These plates are straight up for show. So I don't have nobody in my house who's gonna mess with it, knock it over, none of that. So I don't have to worry about that. All right, and then look, I've got these, and they're all different designs. So I'm gonna put that on there. And I got these two, so let's put that on there. Alright. So, I feel like I like that so far, the centerpiece. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to do this with you guys. But I want to see how it would turn out first. What do you guys think about this? We got other people coming on in. Hey, y'all. Hey. So, what do y'all think about this? I made this earlier today. So, I want to see how it looked. I can make another one. We can do that together and see, you know, but this was a simple, so I thought that was great. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. I love it. So, all right. So this is what we've got. I think that I feel like this is nice and simple, super nice, simple, elegant, without all the leprechauns and all stuff, simply because I don't have enough room for that. I just don't have enough room for that. All right, I'm still looking, you guys. I've got gold candles. So I got these from, I think it was from a thrift store. You know, you can find just about everything at a thrift store. I got gold candles. And oh, I gotta show you guys these. I gotta show you these. Have y'all seen these from Hobby Lobby? So the crosses, one side says blessed, the other side says rejoice in the Lord. So I thought these were really cute. I was saving these for blood. Yay! Look at these, you guys. Look at this. Do you see that? I love it. I got this from Dollar Tree too. Not Dollar Tree. This is from the Goodwill. So I tell you guys, this is why I like not having specific themed things, because I will want to decorate for many different seasons. And I told you guys I got limited space and I can't, I don't have room for everything. We can do that. I gotta put one of these together. Let's look and see. So it's 2 of them, all right, which is awesome. Look at that. They can either both say blessed or both say rejoice in the Lord. That is so cool. And look, they're dummy proof. They're made right for me. I love that. Look. Oh, what do you think? Oh, I love that. I love that. So one side's got rejoice in the Lord, the other side says blessed. That's cool. I'm excited about that. Okay, so I bought 2 of them because I believe in having 4. Because I want to have 2 on this side and then maybe 2 on the mantelpiece. So this is what it is, y'all. What do you think? Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, Debbie. I think that's great. I think it's great. That will work. And I'm thinking that'll work for just a simple Easter, or if you just like green, but I'm hoping that the colors are enough for it to be St. Patrick's Day inspired. What do you guys think? Yeah, awesome, awesome. And see, the Rejoice in the Lord is there, which is awesome. And then it's truly 3D. I love that. And then on this side, it would say blessed. Right? Awesome. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you. You like the green? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Maybe I'll come in this way. Maybe. All right. Cool. So yeah, I'm liking that. And you guys see the gold candles with the candle holders. So I spray painted those. A free shamrocks added into the centerpiece, maybe. I feel you on that, Kevin. I did not go out and buy any shamrocks, but I'm definitely feeling you on that. And I think maybe a shamrock right here would be great. So you may make me go to Michael's. You might make me go to Michael's and get just a few of them. That's Kevin, I love that you're on these things. I so love it. But I'm going to remove that. I'm going to have to bring you guys closer if I can. I'm going to have to remove that, and I'm just going to put on there, I've got my lanterns, and then I've got another table runner, and I've got these crosses, okay? Buy 2 runners because I like for my buffet and my tablescape to match. So let's put those bad boys on there. All right, I'm going to need a centerpiece for this. I haven't really thought about what I want it to be, but I need a centerpiece. Got some candles. You're going to see me use this over and over. All right, so that's that. I'll just bring it a little bit in, and then let's get some crosses. I need some greenery in the middle. And we'll see if this works or not. You know what I haven't done is, hold on. Y'all, I'm doing this on the fly right now. Just, I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do. That might be a little too high. All right, let's try you guys. That might work. We'll find out. That's too low. All right, no, that's too low. I was thinking about doing something like that. It would be too high. That would be too high. Let's find out. Oh, I'm going to put the candles in there, and then we'll see. And then, I may have to think about some other things. My deal. What do you guys think about that? I'm coming, Lynn, to steal your leprechauns from you. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some hot glue in the candle holders to make the candles stick. little bit. Okay. All right. I'm thinking that's simple enough. What do you guys think? That's simple enough. That's so funny. I think that'll work out. I'm going to go and get a few shamrocks and maybe put them on the inside of the plates, right in the middle. And I think I'm going to call it a day. All right? So that is my deal, you guys.